Hello guys, welcome to Tech for Everyone. Chrome is a great web browser, but at times it has very less options for productive usage. Let's see some of the top extensions that everyone must have, from having ad-free websites to skipping YouTube videos, everything you need to have installed as a person who uses a browser regularly. Chrome doesn't have an option to capture full-page screenshots, hence, the Awesome Screenshot extension comes in handy. Here's a sample webpage for which I need to take a full-page screenshot. You can click on the extension to use it. As you can see, there are three options: take a screenshot of the visible part of the screen, or take a full-page screenshot, and also there is an option to record the screen. Let's try full-page screenshot option. As you can see, the full-page screenshot has been successfully created. Now let's try editing options. There are many editing options. Let's first try to highlight a part of a text using the highlighter. Then there is an option to underline parts of text using the pen. You want to blur parts of your screenshot? No worries. There is an option for that too. Now after editing, you can save and send the full-page screenshot to have a detailed opinion on topics needed. At number 2, we have an extension called Save to Pocket. Pocket is useful when you want to save a cool web page that you found to read it later. Let's say if I come across an article that I don't have time to read and want to read it later. I will click the Pocket button in my browser. It adds the item to my own Pocket list, which I can later review. Pocket's mobile apps also allow you to download articles for offline reading, which is another interesting feature. Therefore, Pocket can be a really handy tool if you commute by subway, fly frequently, have a lot of free time, or are otherwise offline. And you can also save videos and search for other similar articles in the home space. At number 3 in our extension list, we have Grammarly. This extension checks for errors in the daily emails we send, and also in text messages. It is useful for professional content writers too. To know how this extension works, let's take a sample email space. You can notice there are red underlines under the words with errors. To fix this, you can simply click on each word and then a suggestion box appears below them. You can select the appropriate word for each error shown. Not only the words, but this extension checks for sentences and suggests correcting them too. Use this extension to make you look professional while sending a text or email to others. At number 4, we have ColorPick Eyedropper. It can be difficult to select a specific color for our needs. Therefore, we can utilize the ColorPick Eyedropper to choose the desired color from a web page or elsewhere in your browser. When you need to select a particular color from a video or picture, click on the ColorPick Eyedropper extension. You can see there's a pointer with zoomed dropbox appears. You can now place your pointer on the desired color and click. You can see a hex code appears, which you can copy and use it. This extension is especially useful if you are a student, designer, or developer. At number 5, we have Turn Off Lights extension. What does the extension do? Exactly what it's mentioned. Turns off the background white space of the video to gain more viewability and enjoy the video without any hassles. You can also adjust the opacity around the video, which could completely turn to 0% for a distraction-less environment while viewing seminars. At number 6 in our extension list, we have Select Text. You can use this extension to copy text from any video, which you play in your web browser. We can utilize this extension by just pausing the video and you can see at the top left corner the extension appears. Click on the extension as step 1. Then click and drag the required portion of the text in the video. Once you select the portion, it automatically saves in your clipboard. You can open MS Word or Notepad to paste the copied text. Let's look at another example where you need to copy codes from the video. You can follow the same procedure and copy the required part, and then open Notepad and paste them. Boom! You save 10 minutes from watching the video and typing the code line by line. Next up on our list is the uBlock Origin. This extension is a must-have one if you're using a web browser. Our daily web page and web articles have a ton of ads surrounding them. Let's see what happens when we use the uBlock Origin extension. Click on the extension to activate, and then refresh the page. You can see that there are no ads like before on this web article. This prevents you from unknowingly clicking on an ad and allowing malware into your system. By clicking on the extension, you can see there are many icons with various features. One such icon is the lightning symbol icon. This icon is used to remove parts of a page. You can remove texts, recommendations, or anything you wish for. This combined with full page screenshot extension is always my favorite. Next on our extension list we have ReaderView. Unlike uBlock Origin, which block ads for all the sites on web browser, this extension is mainly used for reading purposes like ebooks, longer articles, web projects, etc. For example, let's take this article. You can see there are a bunch of ads covering all sides. Let's use the ReaderView extension. You can see that all of the article's advertisements have vanished, and the page is now worthy of reading. ReaderView has a bunch of tools that you can use. You can increase or decrease the font size, you can change the alignment of the article, change line height, and also you can change the background to a lighter color which would be suitable for reading at night time. There's also an option to listen to the article.
Some cars are fast, some are fuel efficient, and some are...
Add this extension if you're a regular reader of books. At number 9 we have the exciting one of all extensions. This extension can be used to skip YouTube ads. Yes, you heard it right, we can skip the pre-roll ads without making a YouTube subscription. There are two features in this extension. You can preview a video by skipping parts of it by using the controls. Secondly, you can use the same controls which is present at the bottom to fast forward the ad and skip it. How cool is that? Now you can subscribe to my channel for saving you from YouTube subscription. You can use these controls to fast forward 15 seconds using a mouse instead of using the keyboard. This would be helpful, especially when viewing videos connected to a TV, projector, etc. At number 10 from our extension list, we have Extensity. Although having various extensions in our web browsers saves us a lot of time, there is also the disadvantage of them using extra memory space. Hence we can use Extensity to turn on and off extensions when they are not needed or used. You can unpin all other extensions from the search bar and only pin Extensity to have a clearer look and good memory management of your system. For more useful content like these, like, share, and subscribe. And comment down your favorite extensions.